Yo, what up, everybody? This is Johnny Boy, aka Rebel, coming back at you one more time tonight, man. I had one riff in mind, and I wanted to kind of jazz this up and rock it at it as well. And this is another rendition I feel I've played before, but I'm going to try to put a twist to it in a different way and just kind of keep with that power. So without further ado, before I get lost, here we go with a second or third video today. I'm hoping, like I said, y'all get a lot of enjoyment out of this. I'm only trying to gift y'all, put my best foot forward, and keep with the positives and shine with my best. So without further ado, here we go. Let's see. I just got to test this out. Alright, I guess we'll just stick with that. I already lost what I thought I was going to do, and dang it, but I'm going to try to keep with that idea, as much thought left as possible, and put those drums and just really get into it. I hope the sound quality works with me, man, because I'm only working with the standard devices, and sometimes, man, it just don't come out to the sound that I hear, you know. It's beautiful, you know, so I'm hoping it's beautiful. And the devices I'm using right now, which is just my phone and what you see here. So that's what let me try. That sounds, that chord just keeps going, man, as I just lay it down, and I just never want that to end, man. So, like I said, man, this has just been a great time overall, even through my struggles, man. I just find music as that outlet, you know, that takeaway and freedom. Now, even when you're in your confinement and wherever, man, and you're struggling to get out, you know, and shine. Um, this is a safe haven that credits you, and it's a takeaway in your heart that kind of keeps you from getting any worse inside, feeling any worse inside, man. You know, so like, if you got a heart like mine, man, you will persevere. You will learn to survive. And almost anything, man. As you grow, you go through things, man. You don't have a choice. So you're either gonna go negative or you're gonna go positive, man. And if you have a good heart, you know where you'll go. This is Johnny Boy, aka Rebel, everyone. I hope you see where I went with this, and man, I'm just hoping to really do something with all this, and as well with that credit, that reward, and all that, I'm hoping to really change other people's lives for the better too, man, that deserve it, you know what I'm saying, having it hard, and it ain't their fault, you know, things like that, or whatnot, that people can help me with in life, you know, we all need help, but for the positives, man, you know, you know. This is Johnny Boy, aka Rebel, sending a great message out with you tonight as well. Keep you lifting your chin up, keeping your chin up as well as mine. And tomorrow's a brand new day, fresh start, and ready to do good things, man. Y'all take care. Peace.